Hey all, welcome to Unleash Dance. Today's topic is shoulder stand part 2. So if you haven't already checked out the first part, the link is in the description. Please have a look at it so you have a basic understanding of how shoulder stand is done. In today's video, we'll be looking at two variations. One requires a bit of strength, the other one requires a bit of flexibility. Alright, so let's get into it. This is the basic version of a shoulder stand. Sitting in a swastika, placing your shoulder down, keeping the other arm to share the weight and going up. You can do this or this. Alright? But ideally for this video, try to aim for keeping both your feet off the floor. Right? Now, let's get into the variations. So, we start in a similar way. Swastika, shoulder goes down, arm is here for support. Now this arm position is very important. You have to make sure the elbow is facing up and your palm is firm. You don't want to move it a lot. Right? It stays where it is. This has to be really firm. You take off the same way. You're going to stack your knee on the tricep. Yeah, like that. And you're going to push the weight down on the elbow so you can lift the other leg off. And from here, you can extend this leg, bend it down, cross it over. Yeah, multiple things from here. Again, making sure that the knee goes into the tricep over here, and make sure there's enough weight on your hand. Only if there's weight can you lift off the other leg. Right? So you have to make sure you're pushing down into the hand. Alright? One more time. Go there. Place this, make sure there's enough weight on it. Your hip has to be up. Use this leg to push off. And if you want, you can extend this leg any way you want to, create different shapes. And let's just try it on the other side as well. Right. You can extend the leg, you can cross it over, open it up, anything you want. Alright? That is one of the variations. Right, that was one variation. The next variation is where we twist and land on the other side. I'll show you how it looks. Yeah? So, I'm going to start on my left side. My left shoulder is going to go down. The same way as we do a shoulder stand only. Now, you want to bring this leg down. So basically, you want to cross the legs, place this leg down, and follow your head. Yeah? So what essentially happens is your lower body twists and the upper body follows that twist. Yeah? You have to make sure the upper leg crosses and finds the floor. Right? The upper leg crosses down, finds the floor. Once your feet have found the floor, your head follows. Yeah? One more time. Right? So that requires a little bit of flexibility in your back, as in you should be able to twist your back. So I'll just show you a different angle to see where the twist is happening. See this twist here and land. Alright, so that are your two shoulder stands. I'm going to show you all three. The basic one, the one where we stack our leg, and the one where we twist. So you can see the difference in all three of them. Right? Cool. So that was the shoulder stand part 2. Make sure you go through the basics. Then, as I mentioned, the link is in the description. So go through all the basics and then you can try these variations as well. All the best.